A team of 10 traditional Chinese medicine experts arrived in Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia Wednesday evening, to help the Southeast Asian nation fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Some of the experts used to be the frontline doctors during the fight against the COVID-19 outbreak in China. According to Cambodian Health Ministry's Secretary of State Owen Boraroth, the experts will carry out medical tasks at the Cambodia-China Friendship Preah Kasamak Hospital in Phnom Penh. He said more TCM experts will be dispatched to Cambodia in the coming months. According to Wu Guo Chuan, economic and commercial counselor of the Chinese embassy to Cambodia, the team would train Cambodian medical professionals on how to treat COVID-19 patients using TCMs. He said TCMs, namely Lianhua Qingwen capsules and Washi Baidu granules, have been licensed to use for treating symptoms of COVID-19 patients in Cambodia. Cambodia has fully resumed its socio-economic activities in all sectors and reopened its borders to fully vaccinated travelers without quarantine since mid-November last year, after most of its population have been inoculated against the COVID-19.